Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I am a contact lens wearer and I had recently had issues with my contacts becoming dry throughout the day. So I decided to make the switch to Bausch & Lomb Biotrue to see if that would help. And I'm happy to report this stuff is amazing. I put my contacts in at 7:30 in the morning. I leave them all day. I don't take them out till 11:30 at night, and they are comfortable all day long. This has about 25% more moisture than the leading contact lens solution, and I believe it because I can really feel the difference. Not only does this supply your contact lenses with a lot of moisture, but it's going to clean and disinfect them every night. So if you're a contact lens wearer and you are struggling with your contacts getting dry throughout the day, you should definitely give Biotrue a try. It has really helped me, and it just might help you as well. And that's my point of view.